what Sir said. And about what Ma'am Julina said, AI should be both mirror our own intention and the complexity.
Welcome. Matang sidi kay kasigumbo tingom bigan ba ang bada I request
Privacy, certificate. So anyway, likewise many. So duality of AI. So AI have like yes, many of your friends have point out good.
so uto na video na moderator ay nagsisimbi sa kusinleri magi sa
Our human engineering, right? So it is. So in fact, I'm looking all the leaders up.
We are happy to know that this 2 days program on the application of AI has been a success, and I am sure this has been a very interactive one for each one of you. Students, are you all happy with the program? Yes. Was it of any use to you? Okay, I'm happy to hear that. And what we would like our department, when we organize such programs for you, what we would like you to take away from here is that we are human beings who have the ability to make choices, not the robots, not the AI. And so we take mastery over AI. Let AI do work for us for the good of the society and not we working for AI, right? Okay, so let's take away that message. Let's take away that as what you may have learned from this time. And I'm sure you will progress in life. And as you progress in life, there will also be many more things that will come up in the progress of AI, in its application. But in all this, we will remember that we are the ones who is to control them and not they who will control us. And let it work for our human good. Thank you.